When I was in class 12th, I made these 5 mistakes and failed in every single examination. Yet, in my drop year, I changed my strategies, I learned from my mistakes and got selected in IITs, NIISER and top institutes of India. And when I was in 3rd year at NIISER, I was doing quantum computing research with professors across the world. So what did I change? In this video, I'm going to tell about all those mistakes that lakhs of students make while preparing for IAT, NEST, JEE and NEET, and how you can also avoid them if you are looking to get admitted in your dream research institute. More than 3,000 students from SciAstra have already made it to these elite institutes like IISc Bangalore, IISERs and IITs, of course with more guidance and resources, which is what Kalam batch is all about. So if you want to check that out, hit the description and click the link. Also on this Dussehra, SciAstra has brought heavy discounts on all our courses for those people who have already enrolled in the free backlog series. So if you want to kill your Ravanas of your preparation journey, check the description out and click those links and check both of them, the courses as well as the backlog series, which is absolutely free, and kickstart your preparation journey right now if you have not already done that. Now talking about the mistakes, when I was in class 12, I thought just studying hard should be enough to get selected in my dream research institute. So I studied random chapters, skipped some topics, ignored my mistakes and did not clear my backlogs. And as a result, like I told you, I failed miserably in every single examination I appeared for. It can be JEE Mains, it was NIISER, it was IAT, it was JEE 1 and other examinations too. But in my drop year, I changed the scenario completely and got the selections I desired. And in this video, I'll tell you about that. So listen closely, because this can literally save your preparation. Mistake number 1, not studying smartly. So most of the students think that studying for long hours should be enough. But the exam does not reward you based on how much you have studied blindly. Of course, that matters to some extent, but the exam rewards you based on how smartly you have done the hard work. For example, when I was at your place, I was sitting for hours just reading theory, avoiding the exercises, problem solving, mock tests, etc. And that was one of the reasons for my failure. What I would rather do or did in my drop year, I studied some theory to some extent, of course, then started practicing question, then some mock test, timed practicing, and then I would keep going back to the theory whenever I felt that I'm lacking somewhere in my concept building. So instead of reading just NCERT line by line 10 times and memorizing them, focus on concept building, thinking about applications, practice relevant problems and attempt mock test and analyze everything at the end of the day. Remember, planned smart work beats blind hard work every single day. Mistake number 2, ignoring one subject. So PCM students ignore biology and PCB students ignore maths and sometimes physics as well. This is a huge mistake, especially IAT makes it mandatory to attempt all 4 subjects if you want to take IISc Bangalore or IISER Pune. And not just attempt all 4, but score very, very good marks. And this is very important. So sometimes most of the people are not experts in one or multiple subjects, but what they do or what we suggest them is at least make a list of important topics that have huge weightage in the examination, asked most frequently, and you can do it with some resources and fetch easily 15, 20, 25 marks out of 45 in any subject which you are weak in. And that's what most of the people who are studying in IISERs did. They didn't score 100% everywhere, but try to maximize their overall score by fetching marks, easy marks from each of the subjects. But do not make the mistake of ignoring an entire subject. That's detrimental for your selection. Mistake number 3, letting backlogs pile up. This is a huge trap and was the reason for my failure in class 12 as well. We ignore one chapter thinking that I'll do it later, and then we do it another chapter and suddenly we have 10 chapters pending. Guys, this is a big mistake and we realize that many of you struggle with that. And exactly for SciAstra has brought free backlog series so that you can cover your backlogs without stress. And we have broken down each and every concept in detail in the classes, where you also get CBT mocks chapter wise and interaction sessions. So what are you waiting for? If you haven't already, go check out the description and enroll for absolutely free, okay, in the backlog series, because the classes have already started at 5 p.m. yesterday. So make the most of them. Mistake number 4, using irrelevant study material. Another huge mistake, preparing for the wrong examination. And this is the query that I faced most frequently while interacting with all of you, because many students use NEET style books to crack the questions of IAT and NEST. And let me be very honest, you cannot crack IAT and NEST based on NEET material, because that's very obvious. These exams need conceptual depth and problem solving and analytical problem solving abilities, which can only be built by using relevant study materials as well as problem practice. So of course, start with NCERT, which is the basic, but after that, curate the study resources for your preparation journey. If you're preparing for NEET, the list will be different. If you're preparing for JEE, it will be different. If you're preparing for IAT, it will be different, because you have all four PCMB that we just talked about. If you need help with curation of study resources, let me know in the comments. We will help you out. Mistake number 5, not attempting mock test and analyzing your mistake. So remember guys, even if you know the right kind of theory, it's not guaranteed that in the exam you will reach to the answer just because you know the theory, because attempting relevant question mock test is one of the most important thing. What I was doing in my class 12th was sometimes attempting mocks, but not going back, seeing what kind of mistakes I did. And eventually I repeated most of those mistakes again in the examination, resulting in big failures. And I did that. You don't have to. Attempt mock test, go back to them, analyze your mistakes and reduce them or eliminate them in the next mock. And doing so and so in the exam, you will have already done all the possible mistakes that you could do beforehand. So there you just are able to solve the question, reach the correct answer, which is very, very important. So these are the 5 mistakes to avoid. Number 1, not studying smartly. Number 2, ignoring an entire subject. Number 3, letting backlogs pile up. Number 4, using irrelevant study material. Number 5, not attempting mock test and analyzing the results. I already made the mistakes and sharing my journey with you so that you don't have to. And if you're struggling with backlogs, then check the description to enroll in free backlog series on SciAstra application. And to the students who have already enrolled in the free backlog series, you can avail the huge discounts on all our courses this Dashera. And if you want personalized guidance, mock test and mentor support from IISER, NEET alumni, then check out Kalam batch, where already thousands of students are preparing for these examinations and much more in their life. Remember, avoid these mistakes, prepare smartly, and that's how you will increase your chances to your dream research institute. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and share with your friends who are preparing for these examinations and struggling with these issues. And subscribe to SciAstra English for more strategy and mentorship related content. With that, see you in the next video.